Czy masz odwagę powiedzieć żonom, i stałem tam, gdzie stało domo?
Hi guys, welcome, and today I've tried one of the best kebab I've ever tried until today. Because live they show me other kebabs, but today I went to a Berlin dinner kebab to try a winter edition of kebab, and it's called Winter Farmer Grilled Kebab. So it's a winter edition for a winter farmer grilled, so it's baked kebab, and you can choose one of two types of meat. You can choose beef or you can choose chicken. Unfortunately, there's no lamb there, so I really like lamb, but unfortunately lamb is not available. And you have a standard sauce. And it's pretty nice. You can choose a standard meat or as a large. What you want? How big you want? There's some problem with my voice because I was sick. Is it wrong? And you can go to any Berlin dinner kebab restaurant which is open. There's also a special code. The discount code, so you can go on the website or install Berlin Dinner Kebab app on your phone, on the Android or on the iPhone. And so there's a special code on the website and a special code in the app, which makes it cheaper because the usual price is €10. The discount price is €8, so you can take some discount and try it, because it's available only until the end of the winter, and until the end of official winter, because the official winter is until 20 March 20th, and Saturday 20 March 21st is the first day of a spring, so we will have a spring. And there's no winter codes, winter discounts, and anymore. So we have to go until March 20th. Great price, great taste, original kebab with a sauce. Enjoy it, guys.
Ty co kobiety chciałbyś zniewolić, pozbawić chciałbyś niewolnej woli. Rządzie biskupie, do was to mówię, wstydzi się was dziś kraj. Nie płaczcie siostry, ducha nie traćcie, uwierzcie w naszą wygraną w walce. Uwierzcie w to, że już niedługo piękniejszy będzie kraj.